Okay, I'm going to be doing histograms on the video, and then tomorrow we'll briefly discuss histograms, and then we'll do measures of central tendency traditionally in class tomorrow. So histograms. The first thing you need to know to do histograms is a frequency table. It shows individual information and also keeps a running total to compare at the end. So if I make a table about the days of the week and the number of cans I have collected if I'm doing a canned food drive, on Monday I collected 12 cans, and then my cumulative collection of cans, which means total, my total number of cans is 12 because it's Monday. I've only collected 12. Then on Tuesday I collect 6 cans, which means my cumulative total is 18 because I had 12 on Monday and 12 plus 6 is 18. On Wednesday I collect 18 cans. So then my cumulative total, 18 plus 18 is 36. Okay, well now it says my cumulative total is 50, so how many cans must have I collected on Thursday? 14, because 36 plus 14 is 50. The right side, the right column is your cumulative total, which means the total. On Friday, my total amount is 73, and on Thursday my total amount was 50, which means I must have collected 23 cans on Friday. The intervals are the space between two units, set of numbers consisting of all numbers between them. I'm going to skip lots of stuff. Oh, sorry. Too far. All right, histograms are a bar graph that displays how frequency data occurs within equal intervals. And in a frequency table, the bars touch each other. In a bar graph, they do not. In a histogram, they do. Give me a second. All right, we are going to complete this. The first class interval is from 30 to 34, and what it means by frequency is how often do numbers occur between there. And I already told you it's 3. So from the class interval 35 to 39, I'm going to count how many numbers are between 35 and 39. Well, you have 38, so that's 1, 36, 2, 39, 3, 35, 4, 39, 5, 38, 6, and 35, 7. Now I'm going to count how many numbers are in the interval 40 to 44. 40, 1, 44, 2, 43, 44, 4, 41, 5, 43, 6, 43, 7, 44, 8, 49, 9. Then I'm going to count the numbers that are between 45 and 49. So I have 48, 1, 46, 2, 45, 3, 45, 4. And lastly, I'm going to count the numbers that are between 50 and 54. So I have 54, 1, 51, 2. So you literally just count the numbers that are in the frequency. All right. Then you make a histogram. To make a histogram, you draw the class intervals on the bottom, down here, and you tell me that's the test result. And then you put the frequency on the left, and then you put the bars to the correct height. So I need to finish it. From 30 to 34, I need my bar to go up to 3. So let's try this one. That is the correct one. And remember, in frequency tables, they have to touch. And then 50 to 54, I needed to go up to 2. And that's all a histogram is. You count the frequencies, and then you make a histogram. That's all there is to that. Okay, I'm quite certain I can do this quick enough. This is measures of central tendency. It's in addition to your histogram notes. We are going to talk about the mean, and the symbol for that is X bar. median, which the symbol is an M, mode, and range. All right, so in a mean, which is just the average, to find the mean, you add up all of the numbers and then you divide by how many numbers you had. I'm quite certain y'all have found averages multiple times. To do this, you would do 14 plus 26 plus 39 plus 30 in your calculators, and then divide by the total number, which is 4. And that would give you the answer. For median, first, to find the median, first write the numbers in order. In order. Then find the middle number, or average of the two middle numbers. So if I were to find the median here, you must put them in order from small to big. And my smallest one is 32. And my next smallest one is 35. And then 36. And 37. 41 twice. 51. And 53. Then you find the numbers in the middle. To do that, you cross off the ends. 32, 53, 35, 51, 36, 41, and check that out. You got two numbers in the middle. If that happens, you find the average between the two numbers. And whatever that equals is the answer. All right, mode. To find the mode, put the numbers in order. Which in my opinion, you don't really have to do that. Then find the number of numbers that appear most often. You can have more than one mode or no mode, depending on the set of numbers. So find the modes of the set of numbers. I have 3 34s. Oh, 1, 2, 3, actually 4 34s. And I have 1, 2, 3 33s. So the mode is 34 because that's the number that occurs the most often. Modes and most sound the same. To find the range. To find the range of a set of numbers, first put the numbers in order, then subtract the smallest number from the largest number. To find the range of the set of numbers, I'm going to pick the largest number, which is 51. Then I'm going to subtract the smallest number from it, which is 32. And you would do that in your calculator. We'll do the examples in class. We'll do that in class. Alright, stem and leaf plot. Make a stem and leaf plot using the following data. To do the stem and leaf plot, the first thing I do is I put them in order. So my smallest number is 9, and then it's 15. Oh, no, it's 12, sorry. And then it's 15, and then 16, and then 17, and then 20, and then 23. All right, in your stem and leaf plot, stem is the first part of the number. So my stem is going to be 0, because it has 0, 1, and 2. Give myself more space. All right, and then I have a 9, so I pull a 9 over, and then I have a 2 because of 12, and then a 5 because of 15, and then 3 6s because of 16 3 times, and then a 7 for 17, a 0 for 20, and a 3 for 23. And if you ask me, when I ask you to do a stem and leaf plot, it's much simpler if you write them in order. Okay, we'll call it done. Thank you.